With the metro coming in, we wanted to take advantage of that public investment and really put intensity on the ground around the metro stations. And the new urban sort of actual city feel that we were going for is in large part driven to make it possible to not use your car all the time in Tysons.
Part of the comp plan is to have defined neighborhoods, and what you have here in this neighborhood with these buildings next door was a defined neighborhood. We turned our first units in April of 2014, and we've been leasing steady ever since. And we used a lot of firms that are local here that know Tysons and that understood our vision and the county's vision for the project. And they understood how important it was to have the demonstration project, which is the Ascent, embody the guidelines and the principles in the comp plan. With the 20% workforce requirement that we have in the building, we truly have an entire cross-section of Tysons, which we're very proud of. We have retirees, we've got young professionals, we've got people from the United States, we've got people from Europe, and it's really a remarkable resident mix that we're very proud of.
This is something that hasn't been done on this scale anywhere in the nation. It's creating a whole new kind of place. It's a new intensity. That's why we have the new zoning district for Tysons, the planned Tysons Corner Urban Center. When the board adopted the plan in 2010, they had a whole list of things we still needed to work on, and one of those was to actually develop some urban design guidelines, and those have suggestions and color palettes and different furniture palettes and things for the different station areas generally to make it easier for us developers to come in to kind of know what's expected of them.
This lobby is obviously what you see when you walk in. Our front door is here, and it is complete with custom marble from Spain and custom lighting fixtures, as you can see above. We've got a 24-hour concierge. We've got free coffee for visitors and residents. We've got free Wi-Fi for everybody too.
In our mailroom area behind our concierge desk, we have a transportation display screen which offers real-time train status for the Silver and Orange Line metro lines, and it allows our residents to understand when the next train arrival is. And since it takes 4 minutes to get from the office to the station, they can plan their walk, especially if the weather's not too good. Our building has a green functionality to it. We have water collection sources on the 26th floor amenity area rooftop, as well as on the 5th floor, which collects rainwater and stores it for recycled irrigation to be used. Well, the catwalk is a fantastic amenity that we have on the 5th floor of the building. It's a large outdoor area with a large picnic table, 2 outdoor kitchen spaces with grills, as well as outdoor sinks, so you can really set up a nice afternoon picnic if you want to with friends. In addition to that, we have a rooftop amenity package. We have a rooftop pool, fire pits, an outdoor grilling deck. Our fitness center is on the roof, as well as our clubhouse area. So you get great views and enjoy most of the building amenities at the same time.
The views are one of the biggest surprises of this project for me personally. Out this way, you see all of Tysons in the 12th largest office market in the country, and a lot of activity. And out this way, you can see the National Cathedral and the Washington Monument and all the Maryland suburbs. And out this way, you can see Sugarloaf Mountain. And out this way, you can see the Blue Ridge Mountains and Reston Town Center. And it's spectacular. And part of the time, you don't even feel like you're in an urban environment. And from another perspective, you feel like you're right in the heart of everything.
It's really exciting to see it actually come to fruition. We can see this building from our office, and to watch it sort of come up above the skyline and then know that all those years of sort of planning and expecting it to happen, and now there's people who are moving in. We're really pleased with how it's progressing.